In this video, we will see how can we send WhatsApp message to the new leads received from IndiaMart. So in the automation builder, here for trigger, search IndiaMart and then click on new lead. Create new authentication. So enter label. For API key, go to IndiaMart. Here click on the settings icon and then click on account settings. And then click on CRM API IndiaMart.com. Here you can see your current API key. You can simply copy this and paste it in the automation builder and then click on add new authentication. Select authentication from the drop down. Enter webhook title. So for example, IndiaMart lead and then click on generate hook. Now a sample data can be seen here when I click on show received data. So I can see the format in which I will get data. Click on save. Now in the next step, we will add a template message. So click on CRM. Here select send template message. Select channel from the drop down. Now I have created a sample template here. You can change the content of this template as per your needs. The variables here name and the second one is the product. So select template from drop down. For WhatsApp number, as you can see, the sender mobile that I have contains plus and dash, which is not allowed. So we will use parse number here. Click on this. Select parse number. Now in between these brackets, we will simply map sender mobile. So what parse number does is, it keeps only number. Then map your body variables. So in my case, this is sender name and the second one is product name. So this is the query product name. And then click on save. Save this workflow and enable it. Thank you.